Estimating often starts here. When drawings live in shared folders, accuracy depends on memory instead of control.
Projects start with structure. Every job begins with complete, consistent information. Responsibility is assigned immediately to a real project manager, no ambiguity. The right people are assigned before work begins. Every role is clear.
Once assigned, each team member is notified automatically, no chasing emails.
Materials requests follow a defined process, not guesswork. Approvals happen in real time, even when the project manager is in the field. When project details change, the entire team is notified instantly. Change orders are tracked, documented, and approved in real time.
Leadership sees project status at a glance, without interrupting the team.
With a single click, leadership can see exactly which projects need approval and act immediately.
Check out a drawing to prevent changes during editing. Once complete, check it back in. DocuWare automatically records the version. Blueprints are accessible remotely, allowing control, supporting compliance, and minimizing errors.
Version history provides proof and eliminates uncertainty. When work is complete, updates are captured automatically.
Estimators work confidently, knowing they are reviewing the right information. Accurate estimating begins with controlled information.
Every project update, every document, and every approval is tracked, giving teams confidence in what's been reviewed and approved.
Let's take a look at what's happening in the warehouse.
Different jobs, same challenges. Work doesn't stop because people don't care. It stops when information isn't clear. Sometimes the documentation exists, but it isn't complete.
When approvals are incomplete, production slows or risk increases.
Paper documents weren't designed for fast-moving warehouse environments. By the time documents reach accounting, they're often incomplete or damaged. Without clear proof, payments can't move, and that creates real risk.
Digital capture structures critical records from the moment they enter the workflow. All related documents stay connected, with no guessing which version is correct.
This shipment is short 5 pallets. Discrepancies are logged immediately, and the right teams are notified. This prevents downstream risk and ensures accountability.
When something is missing, the right teams are notified immediately.
Yes, confirm the shipment for tomorrow.
When information isn't clear, everything slows down.
As production scales, pressure builds across the operation. Accelerate your workflow with DocuWare. Let's take a look at how DocuWare can impact your business.
Field teams don't wait for information. They access verified documents, status, and approvals instantly, wherever the work is happening.
With DocuWare, everything is in one place. Start by searching for your projects, emails, alerts, and receipts instantly, with previews right in the interface, all in one efficient workspace.
When vendors send mixed files, DocuWare separates and routes only what accounting needs, automatically.
When something doesn't match, DocuWare flags it automatically. Exceptions are routed for review, without stopping the rest of the work. A vendor sends an invoice by email. It arrives in the Outlook inbox. DocuWare instantly detects the message and captures the attachment. No dragging, no forwarding. Fully automated.
When everything is connected, accounting can verify and move forward with confidence.
As invoices are processed, DocuWare applies business rules automatically. When an amount exceeds $25,000, the invoice is routed for approval, without slowing down everything else.
From production release to final verification, every document and decision is tracked in one place.
DocuWare recognizes the invoice type and automatically routes it to the right approver.
Approvals don't wait for desks. Decisions happen wherever the workday leads.
Sometimes a duplicate invoice doesn't arrive right away. It may come weeks later. DocuWare automatically compares new invoices against historical records and routes possible duplicates for review, preventing double payment without disrupting normal processing. As invoices are processed, DocuWare automatically performs a three-way match, verifying the invoice against the purchase order and receiving document. When everything aligns, the documents move forward together without manual review. When invoices arrive in bulk, they're scanned together in a single batch. DocuWare automatically separates each document, applies OCR, extracts the data, and moves invoices forward. Fields populate without manual entry, fast, accurate, and enterprise grade.
Climb in. We're going to email some files in Outlook.
Not every document requires a full workflow. Sometimes information just needs to be stored with the right customer. From Outlook, users can save the document directly into the customer folder, quickly and without leaving DocuWare. Without a connected system, even a simple request starts by leaving Outlook and searching through a cloud portal, scrolling through folders, opening files, and confirming whether you found the right document. Then the file is downloaded, renamed, and reattached in Outlook. Sometimes the file isn't where you thought it should be. Different people use different naming conventions, more time lost, making delays easy and follow-ups inevitable. When questions arise, every inspection, approval, and shipment is already time-stamped and traceable in one place. I can start reconciliation right away. DocuWare already has the invoices and statements organized in the folder. I only need to review the exceptions. That means I can finish the draw packet and still make my lunch meeting.
Every document, every action, every approval, fully logged and instantly accessible.
Are your accounting files stuck in disorganized storage clouds? Files pile up without structure, no automatic indexing or routing. Accountants waste time searching and moving files as volume increases.
DocuWare turns them into automated workflows, capturing and routing instantly. Build perfect organization with full control and an audit trail.
Documents are tracked the moment they come in.
If an SLA passes a deadline, it gets routed to another employee so nothing gets missed.
From production release to final verification, every document and decision is tracked in one place.
TGI, thinking great ideas since 1964.